Toyota's modern multimedia systems have revolutionized in-car connectivity. The latest 2024 and 2025 Toyota models feature enhanced Bluetooth technology that goes far beyond basic phone pairing. The Toyota Audio Multimedia System now supports Bluetooth 5.0 plus connectivity, enabling a powerful dual device pairing capability that transforms how you interact with your vehicle. The key innovation is simultaneous pairing. Unlike older systems that could only connect one device at a time, modern Toyota systems can maintain active connections to two devices simultaneously. Bluetooth connections are established independently for each device, creating two separate communication channels that work together seamlessly. The system intelligently assigns roles to each connected device. The primary device typically handles essential communication functions like calls, messages, and contact synchronization. The secondary device focuses on media and entertainment functions, handling music streaming, navigation audio, and serving as a backup for calls when needed. This dual Bluetooth capability addresses modern connectivity needs. With the rise of bring your own device culture, many people carry both work and personal phones, and Toyota's system handles both seamlessly. Family sharing becomes effortless, allowing multiple family members to maintain their device connections without constant repairing. The system remembers preferences and automatically manages priorities. The result is an enhanced user experience that eliminates the frustration of manual device switching while providing intelligent priority management that just works. Setting up dual Bluetooth on your Toyota involves four main steps. We'll walk through pairing two devices, configuring their priorities, and ensuring optimal performance. To begin pairing your first device, navigate to Settings, then Bluetooth, and select Add New Device. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone, then select your phone from the available devices list and confirm the PIN to complete pairing. After pairing both devices, configure their priorities. Set your primary device for phone calls, messages, and contact sync. Configure the secondary device for media streaming, navigation audio, or as a backup calling device. Modern Toyota systems can store 5 to 10 paired devices in memory, but only maintain 2 to 3 active connections simultaneously. This allows you to switch between frequently used devices without repairing. If you encounter device priority conflicts, manually reconfigure the priorities in your Bluetooth settings. For audio lag or quality issues, optimize codec settings and ensure devices are positioned within 3 feet of the infotainment system. Follow these best practices for optimal dual Bluetooth performance. Keep your software updated, position devices properly, use appropriate Bluetooth profiles, and perform regular system maintenance. These steps ensure reliable connectivity and smooth device switching.